Hello students, today we have start chapter number 2 angles. आपण आज दुसऱ्या प्रकरणाला सुरुवात करत आहोत. नाव आहे कोन. लेट्स रिकॉल angles. Angles म्हणजे कोन. Look at the angles shown in the pictures below. Identify the type of angle and write its name below the picture. म्हणजेच खाली दिलेल्या चित्रात दिसणारे कोन पहा व त्यांचा प्रकार ओळखून त्या चित्राखाली लिहा. Which angle visible between the two hands of the clock? See this angle. This angle is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next. Which angle visible between these scissors look like? This angle is right angle. Right angle. Which angle visible between in the beak of this bird? This angle is acute angle. Acute angle. Next, complete the following table. In this table, here given angle, we write down name of angle, vertex of the angle and arms of the angle. Question 1. Complete given table. Angles. Angle PQR. Angle LMN. Name of the angle. Here write down name of the angle and name of vertex and sides of angle. Arms of angle. Angle LMN. Name of angle. Write down vertex of angle and write sides of angles. Next part is activity. Try this activity at home and school. 3 or more children to stand in a straight line. Take 2 long ropes. Let the child in the middle hold one end of each rope. With the help of the ropes, make the children or others stand along the straight line and tell them to move so as to form an angles. म्हणजेच आपल्याला दोरीच्या साहाय्याने विविध प्रकारचे कोन आपल्याला दाखवता येतील. To move as form an acute angle, a right angle, an obtuse angle, a straight angle, a reflex angle and a full or complete angle in turn. म्हणजेच आपण दोरीच्या साहाय्याने सर्व प्रकारचे कोन आपण दाखवू शकतो. In this way, we can take the activity in school to show different angles with the help of the rope, or we can learn also at home with the help of family members. म्हणजे आपण शाळेत मुलांच्या मदतीने किंवा घरातील व्यक्तींच्या मदतीने आपण कोन तयार करू शकतो. Next activity for angles. Try this. Using sketch pens of different colors to make the angles from angle A to angle G. म्हणजे आपण 2 वेगवेगळ्या रंगांच्या स्केच पेनचा वापर करून कोनांची रचना करूया. फर्स्ट अँगल इज झिरो अँगल म्हणजेच शून्य कोन. In this position, angle between the sticks is called a zero angle. The measure of the zero angle is written as 0 degree. Here I draw zero angle with the help of scale and protractor. Draw one ray. Name this ray A and measure zero angle from middle point A, B. This is zero angle A. This figure shown as a zero angle. B. Acute angle. Acute angle म्हणजे लघु कोन. In this position, The angle formed in figure is acute angle. An angle is greater than the 0 degree but less than 90 degree. Angle ABC 40 degree acute angle. Here I draw acute angle ABC with the help of scale and protractor. Draw ray BC. Use protractor and give measurement 40 degree and draw next ray BA. BA. This angle is 40 degree greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degrees called acute angle. Next angle is right angle. In this position, the angle formed in the figure right angle. An angle of 90 degrees called right angle. Angle MNP 90 degree. Here I draw 90 degree angle. Use help of scale and protractor. Here I draw a ray NP and give measurement. Use protractor. Measurement is 90 degree. Draw a ray MN. Angle MNP is right angle. This is symbol of right angle. Symbol is the right angle. Angle MNP is 90 degree right angle. Next, obtuse angle म्हणजे विशाल कोन. The angle formed in the figure is obtuse angle. An angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degrees called obtuse angle. Angle PQR 110 degree. Here we draw obtuse angle. First I draw a ray QR. Then use protractor. Here I measurement 110 degree. Use this protractor measurement from 0 to 110 degree. Here I given measurement. Draw a point. Then use scale. Draw a ray QR, QP. Name this ray QP. This angle is 110 degree. Greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree obtuse angle. Angle PQR is 110 degree. Next angle is straight angle म्हणजेच सरळ कोन. In this stick, directions shown in the figure straight angle. Angle XYZ straight angle. Angle XYZ 180 degree. I draw straight angle, use scale. First I draw one ray YZ. Then use protractor. Here I given 180 degree measurement. Use protractor 180 degree. Then I draw left side ray YX. XYZ angle is straight angle 180 degree. A straight angle measurement is 180 degree. Next angle is reflex angle. A reflex angle is greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. This direction shows reflex angle. Angle DEF 230 degree. I draw one ray. Name this ray EF. Then use protractor. First I draw straight angle. Use protractor. Straight angle 180 degree. Mark 180 degree. Mark point 180 degree. And then mark 50 degree to complete 230 degree angle. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Here 180 degree and 50 degree, 230 degree. Then I join these 2 points E 230 degree. DEF, angle DEF is reflex angle greater than 180 degree, less than 360 degree. Next, complete angle. An angle made in this way is called full or complete angle. The measure of angle is 360 degree. Full angle or complete angle म्हणजे पूर्ण कोन 360 अंश मापाचा. Here I draw complete angle. I draw a ray and use protractor. First mark 180 degree. Mark point 180 degree. Then marking 180 degree from 0, this 180 degree. 180 plus 180, 360 degree. This is full angle or complete angle, 360 degree. Complete angle 360 degree. See these sticks. This is 0 angle direction, acute angle direction, right angle direction, then obtuse angle direction, and then straight angle direction, then reflex angle direction, and last complete angle direction. My friend Maths at the fair, at the home, in the garden. म्हणजे गणित माझा मित्र आहे जत्रेमध्ये, घरामध्ये आणि बागेमध्ये. पाहूया कसा आपला मित्र आहे ते. Look at the pictures given below and identify the different types of angle. म्हणजे आपल्याला काही चित्र दिलेले आहेत त्यातील कोनांचे प्रकार ओळखा. See this picture. This picture we have seen at fair. Identify the different types of angle in this picture. See this picture and identify the types of angle. And next, see this picture in garden. Identify the angle. Which angle in these types of picture? या तीनही चित्रामध्ये कोणकोणते कोन दिसतात ते ओळखा. नेक्स्ट, प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. मॅच द फॉलोइंग. मेजर्स ऑफ एंगल्स. आन्सर. टाइप्स ऑफ एंगल्स. मॅच दिस पेयर्स. 180 degree, 240 degree, 360 degree and 0 degree. Match these pairs. Question number 2. The measures of some angles are given below. Write the type of each angle. म्हणजे खाली काही कोनांची माप दिलेली आहेत त्या कोनांचे प्रकार ओळखा. 75 degree, 0 degree, 215 degree, 360 degree, 180 degree, 120 degree, 148 degree, and 90 degree. Write down types of each angle. Question number 3. Write the type of each angle. Here given 8 angles: 65 degree, 0 degree, 360 degree, 180 degree, 90 degree, 148 degree, 220 degree, 18 degree. Question number 4. Draw an angles given measurements below and given the names. म्हणजे खालील आकृत्या काढा, त्यांना नावे द्या आणि त्यांचे प्रकार ओळखा. 65 डिग्री, 135 डिग्री, 90 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री, 360 डिग्री, 35 degree, 140 degree, and 230 degree. Draw these angles and write down names and write down types of angle. Use protractor, scale, and compass. Question number 5. Look at the figures below and write the type of each of the angles. म्हणजे खालील आकृत्या पहा आणि त्यांचे प्रकार ओळखून लिहा. Here 6 angles given: A, B, C, D, E and F. Write the type of each angles. Children, today we would learn angles, types of angles, and my friend maths at the fair, at the home, in the garden, and practice set 2. म्हणजेच मुलांनो, आज आपण कोन, कोनांचे प्रकार, गणित माझा सोबती आणि प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2 शिकलेलो आहोत. Practice these figures you have given. Thanks my dear friends. Stay home, stay safe and study regular.